Use the auto reheat function to quickly reheat food between 200 and 600 grams. To reheat, place your food in the oven. Press auto reheat. 200 grams, the auto cook and microwave icons are displayed. Turn the jog wheel to set the weight of your food at 400 or 600 grams. Alternatively, press auto reheat repeatedly to set the weight. If you do not turn the jog wheel or press auto reheat again, the first setting of 200 grams remains. Press start. Time is set automatically. For 200 grams, this is 1 minute 40 seconds. The auto cook and the microwave icons blink. When reheating is over, your oven beeps 5 times.